Greetings, warriors of the modern world. Today, I share with you a battle not against gods or monsters, but against a formidable foe that lurks within us all: laziness. In my countless battles, I've faced challenges that demanded unwavering determination. Laziness, much like an insidious enemy, can hinder your progress and cloud your potential. But fear not, for I shall guide you on the path to combat this relentless adversary. First, recognize laziness for what it is: a cunning foe that masquerades as comfort. It lures you with promises of ease and relaxation, but in truth it shackles your potential and stifles your growth. To combat laziness, you must set clear goals and objectives. Define your purpose, whether it be in the realm of work, personal development, or relationships. A warrior without a purpose is easily swayed by the whispers of lethargy. Discipline is your weapon against laziness. Create a routine that aligns with your goals. Just as I hone my skills through relentless training, you too must cultivate habits that lead to success. Look into the mirror of self-reflection. Laziness often stems from a lack of motivation or a sense of overwhelm. Break down your tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Each small victory is a step closer to conquering laziness. Do not be afraid to ask for aid when needed. In battles, allies are crucial. Seek support from friends, family, or mentors who can provide guidance and encouragement. Together, you can face laziness head-on. Warriors, the path to conquering laziness is not easy, but it is a journey worth undertaking. Rise above the comfort of idleness and embrace the fire within that drives you towards greatness. In the grand tapestry of life, you are the author of your story. Arm yourself with discipline, purpose, and the unwavering will to combat laziness. Now go forth and let the echoes of your triumph resound through the ages.